Some stores shouldn't show prices at all. Wholesale, custom work, negotiated pricing. QuotWay hides prices and turns your product pages into a quote channel. Here's the setup. Open Quote button, then Pricing. 3 modes. Leave prices alone, hide them completely, or hide them and show your own message. Pick Hide Price and Show Text, and the preview updates instantly. Write anything, sign in for wholesale pricing, and that's exactly what buyers will see. Choose where it applies, the product page, collection pages, or everywhere, including search, home, and the cart. And who it applies to? Only your quotable products, matching the targeting you already set, or every product on those pages. Theme prints prices somewhere unusual? Add a CSS selector. QuotWay auto-detects the common themes. Now the honest part most apps skip. Your price still sits in the page source, where Google reads it. QuotWay walks you through closing that, a price gate block for signed-out visitors, a 2-line theme edit, and cleared meta tags. Then run the built-in leak check. It fetches your product page exactly as Google sees it and reports any price left behind. Want a pure quote channel? Cart hiding removes Add to Cart and Buy It Now on quote-eligible products, honoring the same targeting, so the quote button is the only path. And here's the storefront. No price, your message, add to quote. Quote only selling live. That's high price, sell on quotes, not sticker prices. QuotWay, built for Shopify.